So we're building a text-to-image application using an API from a company called Dezgo. It has some really cool features, about 57 models, styles to choose from. As you can see from the drop-down menu, it'll display the model in the side there, put in your description and generate the image, and yeah, it'll bring back some pretty awesome stuff. And we're saving it into the database along with the description that we type in. There's a lot of messing about with converting binary to JSON to save it into the database. I've got links in the description below to the code on the Codercast website, where you will be able to take that code, implement it into your own application and run this. This does cost $2 a month, and we're using the rapidapi.com to get all the API information. And yeah, again, some of these models that we've got, I'll just go through the database structure for you quickly here. Again, this is all in the website on Codercast, so you can just take the code, create the database from there, and yeah, as you can see, we're storing it as JSON. It is still extremely long data that's going into that field, and we're saving the description, and yeah, there's the structure there, and these are the models that we're saving in. I'll show you them in a wee minute, where we've got all that information from. Again, just copy it straight from the website, put it in. So this is Rapid API, and these are the endpoints. We're using the PHP CURL function. You'll get your own API key when you sign up to rapidapi.com. Yeah, like I said, £2 a month, 20,000 credits, and there it brings you back a 512 by 512 image. It costs about 19 credits. We're upscaling, well, I'm upscaling the image to 1024 by 1024. Increase the cost to about 0.36. And yeah, these are all the model styles that they do. They've got this emoji one, they've even got an icon one. As you can see, the steampunk, lots of anime, realism. So let's just have another go at this. New York City landscape at night, double exposure diffusion. Let's get the image, and there we go. It looks more like wallpaper in a living room with that big couch there, the laminate flooring. Very random, but as if you've used these text-to-image AI platforms like DALL-E 3, you know that they are quite random. So here's the code. My header, it's got the connection. That FL variable is folder location to pick up connection, date and functions, etc. So we'll post a text form. The raw URL encode function adds in the %20 for the spaces and commas which is needed in the description and the style. Then we're getting it back in binary, then converting to JSON to put it in the database. This bit of JavaScript here will display the style at the side of the text box. This is the get style file here, and yeah, like I said, it's all on the website, so you just need to create the database table using that code, echo out any error messages if there's no description or style selected, and this is the select options using this function here. it will just interrogate the database and bring out the image of the style, and then once it's stored in the database, it'll automatically come out of there. You need to, when you're bringing it out of the database, it's coming out as JSON, and you need to upload it back to the binary data, and that's why we have in the source the data image /png base64, and then echo out the thumb images. And just below here, this JavaScript here, this will clear the form once it's been submitted, so that if you refresh the page, it won't resubmit the same description that you've already submitted. That's what was happening to me before, is I was refreshing the page and it was constantly bringing me back the same style of images. So once we've typed in our description here and then select our model, we generate the image, and then the form is cleared so that if you refresh the page again, it won't be resubmitting the same description. So let's have another look, see what we can get from this one with a white car driving through the streets of Tokyo at night. And there we go, yeah, that looks like Tokyo. That's definitely a white car. It's not as advanced as the likes of DALL-E 3, but it's still something to play around with. It's been fun, working on this. As a developer, we always like to see if we can go and recreate these cool things that are out there. Some style for the thumbnail images. Again, it's all on the website, just copy it over or create your own thumbnail images, your own gallery if you'd like. And yeah, that's everything. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. You want to see more tutorials in the future, subscribe to the channel.